Hello. Welcome to the LifeMaster Master Series. I'm your host, Jim Roll. I'm totally supposed to be here on this location where I'm at right now, so don't even worry about what other people think. I certainly am not thinking about it. There's a squirrel going near my car. Today, hey! Get away from my... Today I wanted to take a moment to show you all what the effects of nature can have on you. And it's not to be underestimated. Let's take a look. I think it goes without saying that this is a tree. These little buddies have been on the planet for as long as I know I can remember, and probably most of you too. Trees are one really important aspect of nature. There was once a tree that I liked so much that I would go out and talk to it. And that's not weird at all. It's okay. Step one, get to know the elements of nature. Get to know your trees. There's also some water back there. Hi friends. I call this a riverbank, and you can feel free to do that too. The riverbank's main elements are water and dirt. And this is an excellent place to spend your nature time. Sometimes there's garbage, but don't even worry about it. Sometimes I get a little afraid. I'm way over here. Can you guys see me? Hey. Oh, man. Probably the coolest thing about nature is called laying down outside. Just simply laying down in the grass has a cooling and calming effect. Now, I'll tell you right off, there's some people who are going to immediately start thinking about bugs. Spiders, ants, red ants, invisible bugs, invisible ants, red bugs, invisible red ant bugs. Other than that, if you just kind of look up at the clouds for a while, what do you got to lose? That's what I think. Grass has been around longer. Actually, I'm not 100% sure about this. I think trees and water have been around longer than grass, but it's an essential part of nature, and it's a part that you can take advantage of. Come on, let me show you one more thing. Oh man, I hope I don't get hurt. Whew. Oh, exploring. Exploring is so intense. I think I heard oh, it's a leaf. A leaf scared me. Oh, God of exploring, grant me some skills. I don't know what's going to happen. Anything could happen. That's the best part of exploring. Whoa! I feel like a mountain bike, like I'm a human mountain bike, zipping around. Whoa! Look at the milky waters. Look at those milky waters. If I didn't take a minute to explore, I would never have found these milky waters, and I think that was worth it right there. So exploring's been around way longer than grass, water, or dirt. So make it yours. Wow, exploring's tiring. Golly goshkins. Well, I hope you've learned a lot. You know what? Take this lesson out into the world and share it with everybody. Thanks for coming around. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson of the LifeMaster Master Series. We'll see you next time.